My trip to Disneyland Paris was coming up and I wanted to make my very own Disney-bound outfit for this trip. I decided to make Princess Aurora since the castle at Disneyland Paris is hers from Sleeping Beauty. My fabric choice was a cotton lining and this beautiful jacquard with pink and blue lame. It color shifts when you move, so it's the most beautiful, magical fabric ever. I knew the rules of costumes. Basically, adults cannot wear them. So I had to be smart and make it safe for me to wear and not be kicked out of the park. I'll be using my favorite pattern, Simplicity 5006, for my top. I was able to get this basic corset dress done in time, but sadly the castle was in repair, so I'll just have to wear an upgraded version later. Check out the full creative version on my YouTube channel and make sure to stay inspired, be creative, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye!